Welcome to DaVinci Resolve for beginners. Today, we're focusing on the media pool. You can find the media pool on every page except Deliver page, but for beginners, it's easiest to use on the Edit page. Just click the Edit tab to get there. The media pool is where all your video, image, and audio files are stored. Now, let's import some media files from your computer. Right-click, select Import Media, browse your folders and select the files you want. Or drag files straight from your computer into the media pool. When importing, click Change if Resolve asks to match the project frame rate to your video. There's also a search box at the top of the media pool. You can type a clip name or keyword to quickly find what you need. Use bins to organize your files. Bins work like folders, keeping files separate so it's easier to find what you need. Right-click in the media pool, choose New Bin, name it, and drag your clips into it. In this tutorial, we created video, image, and audio bins. Click Master to see all your bin folders. Click the bin under Master to see the clips inside a bin. If you want to use the same things in many projects, like logos, intros, or music, use Power Bins. Turn them on from the Media Pool menu. Right-click and select a new bin. Name it. Click Import Media, choose your file, in this case a logo, and it'll be available in every project you create. There are also smart bins, like regular bins but more advanced. Beginners can skip them for now. You can view your media in different ways, as thumbnail view, list view, and metadata view. For beginners, thumbnail view is often the most practical, since you can quickly preview each clip visually. Use the slider to adjust thumbnail size, drag left to shrink, right to enlarge. Click the info icon for details like resolution or frame rate. To resize the media pool panel itself, drag the vertical divider to give more or less space to other panels. To preview a video clip in the media pool, hover over it, and move your mouse to quickly see different parts of the video. Or double-click it, to open it in the source viewer, and use the playback controls, to preview the clip before adding it to the timeline. Sometimes, if you move or delete files on your computer after importing, Resolve will show them as offline. Don't worry, first click the video clip, then click the Relinking Media button, and point Resolve to the new location. Your clip will reconnect automatically. You hide the media pool by clicking the media pool button in the upper left corner. Click it again to bring it back. If the media pool button doesn't respond, watch the separate video on how to fix it in just a few seconds, link in the description. If you want to reset the workspace to its original layout, go to the Workspace menu, and click Reset UI Layout. This brings everything back to the default view. And that's the media pool. It might seem simple, but it's the backbone of every DaVinci Resolve project.